As the school day begins, the teacher warmly welcomes the students to the classroom, setting a positive tone for the lesson ahead. She outlines the day's objectives, encouraging everyone to listen carefully and participate actively. Ali raises his hand to clarify a point, and the teacher responds patiently, guiding him through his question. Amina, curious about the assignment, asks for further explanation, and the teacher provides helpful examples. Throughout the class, students engage in discussions and activities, practicing their English skills. The teacher emphasizes the importance of attentive listening and active participation, reminding everyone that these habits help build confidence and understanding. The classroom buzzes with curiosity and learning, reflecting the dynamic flow of a typical English lesson.
The classroom buzzed with quiet excitement as students settled into their seats, ready for the day's lesson. The teacher greeted everyone with a warm smile, outlining the activities and encouraging each student to do their best. As instructions were given, the students listened attentively, asking thoughtful questions and sharing ideas with one another. Throughout the lesson, they participated eagerly, working together on group projects and helping each other understand new concepts. The teacher moved around the room, offering praise and gentle guidance, fostering a supportive and positive atmosphere. By the end of the class, everyone had completed their assignments, proud of their accomplishments and grateful for the encouragement they received. The sense of teamwork and mutual respect made the classroom a place where learning truly thrived.
In this section, we will explore some essential classroom vocabulary. Words like desk, chair, and whiteboard are commonly used in school settings. For example, a desk is the table where you sit and work, while a chair is what you sit on. The whiteboard is the large board at the front of the room where teachers write notes and instructions. Other useful terms include pencil, which is used for writing, and book, which contains stories or information. By repeating these words and using them in sentences, students can strengthen their understanding and feel more confident in the classroom environment.
Let's explore word families related to common classroom actions. The word listen can become listening or listener. For example, please listen to the instructions, and good listeners pay attention. The word repeat changes to repeating or repetition. You might hear repeat the sentence, or repetition helps you remember. With write, we have writing, writer, and written. For instance, write your name, or her writing is neat. The word check becomes checking or checked. You could say check your answers, or I have checked your homework. Finally, open can be opening or opened. For example, open your books, or the door was opened. These word families help us understand and use classroom instructions more effectively.
In this lesson, we explored several important topics together. We began with a classroom conversation, practiced story narration, and learned new vocabulary words. We also discussed word families and how they help us understand language patterns. Your participation and enthusiasm have made this session engaging and productive. Keep up the great work and remember to continue practicing these skills to strengthen your understanding. Every step you take brings you closer to mastering the language.